a woman?
Okay, I got it.
I warned you, you stupid bitch.
Enough! I need some fucking money.
I will castrate you first.
Ah!
Shut the fuck
Ah!
up! You revolt me. You make my skin crawl.
Ah!
Carl, you are really boring me now. Leave the panic button or I'll kill your children too!
Please, don't do that. Just relax a little.
I warned you, you stupid bitch! Stupid fucking bitch!
What in fuck's name are you doing? What are you doing? Look at that. I think you should stop with that shit. I'ma lose my temper real good in a minute. I'ma break your neck for that. I ain't into this shit. Fuck you. Asshole. No! What the fuck? Damn! Bullshit! Look at that, I won!
About fucking time! You're a fucking flop! That's my money!
Watch my damn head, bitch!
Faster, you fool! I'm starting to get really bored of you.
Oh!